What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just back from an epic long weekend tour or trip around Wales with my friends Malcolm and Nick. It was an amazing weekend and I have yet to start the editing on that, so bear with. I will get that as soon as ready to you and live and updated and blah up onto the channel as soon as I possibly can. However, today I'm just down at Roundswell filling station, which is just off the A39 roundabout, about 10 miles away from Bideford and really not far away from Barnstaple town centre. Like I say, it's the A39 and it's the Roundswell filling station, which is what we're going to use as our meeting place, set off point and end point for the subscriber ride. So what I'm doing is basically Malcolm put a route together for us and I'm going to go and recce it and see how it goes, and I am sure it's going to be a nice little route. We have got a couple of stops planned. Let me just make sure I don't get killed in the service station. So what I will do is I will put the address or the postcode for the service station in the description below, and I'll also put the meeting time and the time to be ready to set off from in the description below, okay? So I've yet to confirm that with my friends. So Malcolm's going to lead the route for me, I'm going to float in the middle, and hopefully Nick can make it. And Nick said he would be the tail end Charlie, just to make sure everyone stays together and nobody gets lost. So let's go. So we're going to use the drop-off marker system to help keep us all together on the ride out. Now, if you're familiar with the drop-off system, then ideal, you know it works if everybody follows and executes the marker system. If you don't, then not to worry, because we'll explain it all on the day. But the drop-off system is used by pretty much all the big rider groups to help keep the group together, so everyone ends up ending up at the same place. And however, it is important that when we do it, that everybody marks when their designated marker, that they stick to that marker point until the tail end Charlie, who should be Nick on the day, beeps and flashes his horn at you and lets you know that he's the last man, and then you just rejoin the group. So the ride's going to take us up and over Exmoor, and if you've never been to Exmoor, you're in for a treat. If the weather is on our side, which in July I'm hoping it is, you're going to see an amazing part of the countryside. So we're going to filter up and over Exmoor and making our way to our first stop. And the road ride's going to be hopefully user friendly or very friendly to low capacity machines. So if you have a 125 and you want to come along the ride, we're going to keep the speeds down so that you're not, basically the ride's not going to get out of hand. It is not a race, it's a group ride where we all need to enjoy it, okay? I don't want anybody feeling pressure to have to keep up and ride out of their comfort zone. So this is the view you're going to get, guys, on this little ride out. I'll just stand up on the pegs so you can see over the hedge. It's absolutely amazing up here. I've done this road once or twice myself. So we're just approaching our first stop, where I'm going to get myself a coffee and a cake. I've not had any breakfast today, so cake for breakfast. Cheers, Van, thank you very much. Cake for breakfast, that's what I'm talking about. So once we've finished our first stop and had a coffee and a cake, we're going to make our way up and over onto the top of Exmoor National Park, where the views are stunning for miles. However, once we cross that first cattle grid, be prepared to encounter grazing livestock, grazing animals. The road is a little bit bumpy in places, so yeah, the road is a little bit bumpy, it is narrow, and even though it is a national speed limit, it's not worth caning it around here, guys, because we have sheeps is to think about. Sometimes you've got the Exmoor ponies out in the road, and you do sometimes get Devon red cattle as well, just wandering around the road, willy-nilly doing their own thing. So there's some Exmoor ponies over there actually, just grazing. So they do get really close to the road, and there's one there asleep, bless him. Like I say, there's Devon reds over there, so again, all the cattle does get close to the road. Look at all the ponies though. I'm just gonna pull over to the side of the road. So case in point guys, we have got a load of Exmoor ponies over there, just chilling out, doing their thing, keeping an eye out on me, making sure I'm not going to come and bother them. And then we've got the troll bridge, and we've got lammies, little lammies, little lammies. And then once we've cleared Exmoor, we're going to make our way down towards Watersmeet. Okay, so from Watersmeet we're going to make our way uphill, and then we're going to make our way to our second stop of the day. So more coffee and cake. So once we've had our second stop of the day and you're fully caffeinated and caked up, we're going to make our way back into Barnstaple and up and over the tall bridge, from where we will make our way back to where it all started for the day, at the BP service station in Roundswell. So here we are. So here we are, back to where we started from for the day, back at Roundswell BP service station after a epic ride up and over Exmoor, and I hope that you can make it guys, so that you can enjoy this route that I've just done, which is brilliant. It's been a brilliant recce, I've enjoyed it. Some great roads, some great scenery, and obviously we've got a couple of stops thrown in there. If you have any questions or you have any concerns, leave them down in the comments below. For instance, if you have any concerns about your fuel, about having enough fuel to get around the trip or the route, it's only 90 something miles guys, less than 100 miles. So if you have any concerns, let us know, and we should be able to factor in something for you. We do go past a petrol station on the route before we get back to Barnstable, but like I say, it's only 100 miles. So all that's left for me to do is take a photo for a thumbnail and wish you a very safe and happy day. Like I say, if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any queries, let me know. Queries are questions, aren't they? So anyway, if you've watched this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please give it a subscription. That would be really appreciated. If you haven't enjoyed this video, why are you still watching? And why not give me a thumbs down? Although do question your sanity for watching this far. Jokes guys, jokes. Anyway, I'm out of here, so I will hopefully see you on the 16th of July, where we can go out and have a great ride out and eat some cake, eat some coffee, and put some faces to the subscribers that I have. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.